Today we are going to demonstrate how to use the Karol-Warner Triaxial Data Acquisition Software that automatically records load and displacement data to generate a real-time stress-strain curve using UU, CU, CD, or unconfined compressive strength testing. The Karol-Warner Triaxial Data Acquisition Software is an intuitive, easy-to-use, Windows-based software that records and graphs triaxial test calculations in accordance with ASTM standards. And test results can be printed in a customizable PDF and easily exported into spreadsheet applications, such as Excel. Before we start, let's review the menu options. At the top of the Programs window, we have File, Utilities, and Help. Click on File and we can begin a new test, open a previous test, save the existing test, save an open test as a copy or in a different location using the Save As button, create a PDF of a test report, preview a test report before it is printed, print a test report, and exit the program. Click on Utilities and we can enter the test settings. Click on Settings and a new menu opens. Here we can enter the readout box channel assignment, enter the test equipment used, enable or disable the Popup Keyboard feature, indicate whether we want the report in metric or imperial units, and testing agency information. Click on Help to find assistance with this program, contact information, or to activate your software. And of course, as with most software programs, there is more than one way to execute a program command. Here at the top, you will also see file command icons. Now that we have reviewed the menu bar, let's demonstrate how to perform a new triaxial test using the Karol-Warner Triaxial Data Acquisition Software. Make sure all connections to the computer and data readout box are secure. Click on File and New to begin the process. Now click on Utilities and Settings. Enter the readout box channel assignment, the equipment used for the test, enable or disable the Popup Keyboard feature for testing while using a tablet, indicate whether we want the report in metric or imperial units, and finally complete the testing agency information section, which will be printed on the test report. If you are using an on-screen keyboard, like the one found on a tablet, be sure to enable Popup Keyboard's Keypads function. For this demonstration, we are using a standard desktop keyboard, so we will leave this box unchecked. Click Save and Close. Check the box for the pore pressure signal if you will be using data from a pore pressure transducer. Next, click the COM port for the data readout box from the Read Port drop-down menu in the Connect tile. For this demonstration, we are using the Practice feature. The Practice feature allows the user to familiarize him or herself with the software. When this is active, random load, displacement, and pore pressure values are generated so that you can interact with the software as if a test is being performed. Next, enter test and specimen information in the Sample Info File Location field at the top right of the software window. Once entered, select Set File to save this info and select where the data will be automatically saved at the conclusion of the test. Now, confirm the recording frequency in the Run Test section in the bottom left corner of the software window. This recording frequency can be set in 1-second intervals. If nothing is entered, the software will default to 1 recording per second. The Auto Stop Test feature can also be set. When selected, the software will automatically stop recording test data when the load falls below a peak load by a specified amount or when the percent strain has reached a specified percent. The load frame will continue to advance until the limit is reached or it is stopped by the user. Once the Run Test section has been completed, seat your sample and select Start Test. The software will begin to collect load and displacement data. Switch the Platen Advance to Up. The software will display load, displacement, stress, strain, and pore pressure values in real time. Two graphs are also generated, a stress-strain graph and a stress-displacement graph. You can switch between these two graphs throughout the duration of the test. The software will automatically stop recording and save data to the selected file if the Auto Stop Test feature has been selected. Otherwise, click Stop Test to end recording and save the test data to the selected file. The data collected will automatically be ready for analysis or export. Now, stop the load frame Platen Advance. The Karol-Warner Triaxial Data Acquisition Software allows the test file to be reopened at any point after the completion of a test, and the user can add a failure image to the report. You can now preview, print, or export your test data. For any questions about the Karol-Warner Triaxial Data Acquisition Software or any Karol-Warner product, please contact your Karol-Warner technical support team.